Hi friends, today we are going to learn and write days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Let's start. The first day is Monday. M O N D A Y Monday. Second day is Tuesday. T U E S D A Y Tuesday. The third day is Wednesday. W E D N E S D A Y Wednesday. Okay. The next day, the fourth day of the week is Thursday. T H U R S D A Y Thursday. The fifth day is Friday. F R I D A Y Friday. The sixth day is Saturday. S A T U R D A Y Saturday. The last day of the week is Sunday. S U N D A Y Sunday. These are the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thank you.